Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to do a large headliner. Let me show you what we got. Here's this large cargo van headliner. We've got it out of the van. We got all the old material stripped off. Some of this is just old glue, which once we spray more glue on there and foam it, you won't even be able to tell. But you just want to make sure that all the loose stuff, like right here, you can see some of the loose stuff peeled off. So we just made sure all of that stuff oh, here's another piece. You just want to make sure that that stuff is all done peeling up, and then we can spray our glue and add our foam over top of it. I'll get to that, and I'll come back when I get that all foamed up. All right, I got my foam on there. I just got it bent in half. I'm gonna spray glue on one side, stick it down, lift it up the other side, spray glue, stick it down. Stay tuned, I'll show you. All right, that's how it's done. We'll trim it up all the way around the board, and then we'll do the next two. There you have it. It's all trimmed up. All right, this is what we're wrapping this headliner in. Might be kind of controversial to some of you, with doing the American flag. It is for an honor guard van, so it's going to pain me to cut this American flag, but I'm going to have to. And what we'll do is I'm going to do a flag burning ceremony, a proper burning ceremony for this flag after I'm done with this headliner. But it's going to be a cool project for the honor guard, so I think it's worth it. There's no disrespecting, nothing. So like I said, it pains me to have to cut this flag, but it's gonna look sweet once it's all done. Turning back now. Well, there they are. Their old American flag, red, white, and blue. I think this will look pretty nice in there.